Hello guys, today in this quick video I want to show you how to optimize the repeating conditions from scopes in Eloquent. Scopes, generally local scopes, are a great way to shorten the controller code with repeating queries. So for example, post recent is actually under the hood in the Eloquent model of post, scope recent, which means created in the last 7 days. But what if you have the same scope over multiple Eloquent models? So for example, post recent and for example comment recent, and comment recent is the same thing where created at. Can you somehow group them together and have the same function without redefining them separately in each model? It may be 4 models or 5 models or more. What is the best ways to refactor that into one helper function or something? One of the ways is to have a trait. So this is an example. You can create a file. There is no make trait in Laravel, but in, for example, folder app traits, you can create a trait. You can place that trait elsewhere. This is totally up to you. And you just define that scope recent. The same thing with just one important difference. This get table defines the table that is used at the moment, which means that if you have created at in multiple tables, it will not throw an error. If you don't use that get table, you have a risk of duplicating created at and having SQL query, for example, if you use that scope on a query with relationships. And to use that trait, all you do is in the model, you add that in use section, recent records. Of course, you need to add it here in the use section, the same here as well. So post will also have recent records trait, and then you don't need to define scope recent here or scope recent here or in other Eloquent models. You just add a trait, and that trait will be available for all Eloquent models. That's it, a quick tip. If you want more quick tips like this one, I've collected a lot of them in one of my recently reshot courses, Eloquent the Expert Level, in 32 video lessons. In almost 2 hours, you will deepen your knowledge about probably the most important thing in Laravel, which is Eloquent. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.